2 years ago, the advice was simple. Get the degree, then get the skills. But in 2026? The rules didn't just change. They were rewritten. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's the filter. Your degree is now being scanned, ranked, judged by machines. While families spend over 34 lakh rupees on degrees, that lead to just 4.7 lakh starting salaries. The world's largest employers, including the US federal government, just dropped degree requirements. 4 million of roles. The golden ticket is tarnished. The question isn't degree or skills anymore. It's this. Can you out-orchestrate AI? Let's start with reality. The return on investment for degrees is collapsing. In India, the average payback period has hit 8 years. In the US, 63% of people now say, college isn't worth the cost. And 1 in 3 workers believe AI has already made their degree less relevant. But the real shock came in April 2026. The US government removed degree requirements for over 600 job categories. That's nearly 2 million positions. Now hiring is based on skills tests, not resumes. This isn't a trend. This is a system reset. Now before you panic, degrees are not dead. If you want to be a doctor, a lawyer, or a civil engineer, you still need one. No shortcuts. But for everyone else? The rules have changed. Today, most jobs still list degrees. But behind the scenes, AI systems prioritize skills. So here's the truth. Your degree gets you into the game. Your skills decide if you win. So what actually matters in 2026? Not just AI. Not just coding. It's a combination of skills. Problem solving. Communication. Digital skills. And yes, AI. Because AI alone won't save you. But a strong skill stack will. AI job demand is exploding. But at the same time, entry-level jobs are disappearing. The old career ladder is breaking. So how do you survive? You don't depend on one path. You build multiple paths. So here's the real solution. First, go degree light. A 4-year expensive degree is a bad bet unless it's required. Choose smarter options. Lower cost. Faster learning. Less risk. Second, build a strong skill stack. Pick one core skill. Then add supporting skills. For example, marketing plus content creation. Coding plus problem solving. Finance plus analytics. Don't be one-dimensional. Be valuable. Third, learn AI as a tool. Not as a replacement. Use it to work faster. Think better. Create more. AI should multiply your ability, not define it. Fourth, build side hustles. This is critical. Don't depend on one income. Start small. Freelancing. Content creation. Digital services. Even simple online work. Side hustles teach real-world skills that degrees never will. And they give you income security. Fifth, build a project log. Show what you've done, not just what you know. Your work should speak. Your thinking should be visible. Sixth, gain real experience. Internships. Freelance projects. Collaborations. Because in 2026, experience beats certificates. Because your degree shows you survived the past. Your skills show you can survive the future. Your side hustles prove you can create your own future. Now imagine 2 people. One depends on a degree. One builds skills, uses AI, and creates income streams. One waits for opportunities. One creates them. You already know who wins. In 2026, the diploma is not the finish line. It's barely the starting point. The degree market is shrinking. But the opportunity for skilled, adaptable people is exploding. So the real question is no longer degree or skills. It's this. Are you building multiple skills, multiple incomes, and multiple options? Get the credential to enter the system. Build skills to grow inside it. Create side hustles to escape dependence on it. That's how you win. So what's your move? Are you relying on one path or building multiple? Let me know. See you in the next one.